Hello, welcome back. We haven't posted in nearly a month because of back-to-back storms here in the UK. Luckily, everything survived. We're at the top of a small hill, so we weren't really affected for flooding. And everything seems to have survived the winds, although we couldn't come out to the workshop because every time we opened the doors, they just slammed shut because of the wind. And if we did close the doors to record a video, all you would have heard was wind noise. Outside the workshop here, we've got quite a big fir tree. During the storms, this was blowing around quite a lot. But as you can see, before it was straight, and it's slightly leaning over this way now. But we're lucky that it didn't fall down during the winds. We've got a few jobs we need to do, so we're going to be using the 1962 Bolens Ride-a-matic. We haven't used it in quite a while, so it'll be quite good for it to have a run. We've now loaded up some pallets and I'm now going to take them to stack. I haven't driven the Ride-a-matic for quite a long time now, so that was nice to drive it. It's amazing how grass can look like it's dry and then you drive over it and it turns out it's just a massive puddle. Anyway, the Ride-a-matic did well through all the wet stuff. Didn't spin a wheel once. But I think this is where I'm going to leave this video. Thank you for watching. Comments are welcome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and see our other videos. More to follow as we do more on this tractor. Bye.